Hello and welcome to FIVO BI Services. Now this video is for you if you are wondering how to publish the Power BI dashboard for free without getting into any sort of financial commitment with Microsoft, right? So probably you're looking for how to showcase your work to a potential employer and looking for how to showcase your work to your clients, your colleagues, then you've come to the right video. And I'm just going to jump straight into my screen. So let's say we have something like this and we want to publish it, but we do not have a Microsoft account yet. So first of all, I will sign out. Then the idea is you have to go to your browser. The first step is to actually get a Microsoft work account. So look, if I am in my Power BI desktop and I try to sign in, so you say I can't sign in here with a personal account, use your work or school account instead. Now this is typical, so you need to have a Microsoft work account before you are even able to get any online feature or any online capability from Power BI. How do you get a Microsoft work account? Go to your browser and search for Dynamic 365. So we're going to use the free trial approach. So you search for Dynamic 365, you enter it. When it loads up, you essentially click try for free. After you've clicked on the try for free, swipe down. You have to pick anyone can work. Just going to go with the first one and click on try for free. Now I actually also enter our email to start our free trial. So I'm just going to quickly enter the same email I entered earlier, the same home or personal email I entered earlier. Now I agree to the terms. I'm going to start my free trial. I'm going to enter a work account, for the best free trial experience. But now see underneath they're asking me that I can continue with my fimbanc@gmail.com. To continue with it, I should click this link. So the next step is to click that link. Now after you click the link, it will take you to different situation whereby I'm still going to click on enter that same email address. And now at this point they're probably that tired of me, I would guess. And yeah, you have to solve a puzzle before you get to the reason why they're tired of me and why they will get tired of you. So they'll just essentially just prompt you to create a work account and ask you for your details. So exactly they're asking me now. They're telling me I need to create a new account. So let's get you started. Continue as a user and set up. Now I have to put in all my details. When they ask you if your company has a website, you say no. There's no need to select any of these from here. Press next. When you reach there, it's not that you're almost done. What you have to do is the domain name is already selected for you. There's no need to modify that. Probably you can modify, but there's really no need to modify that. You leave that as is. Then what you have to modify is your username. You can't modify it to something unique, something that you want. You don't want it to just show your full name, right? You can put it as maybe just your first name or something like that. You put in your password, confirm your password, and next. When you go next, it will prompt you to put in some account information, some financial information. There's no need. At that point, the exact username, domain name .microsoft.com would already be created, and that's alongside your password is your Microsoft work account. So there's no need to put in your financial details. You can from there you exit your screen and just go back to Power BI. Go back to Power BI and you put in your login details. You put in your login details as it showed earlier, and you'll be inside Power BI. you will have access to Power BI's online features and capabilities, functionalities. So now let's say I have this dashboard. If I want to publish to cloud, the first step is I have to upload it to cloud. It has to be in the cloud, right, before I can now modify or have access to it, right? So next, essentially you go to your my mobile layout. I'm just gonna snap out of it. Then you go to your home menu and publish. Save. Yeah, first of all you have to save your changes. Then you publish to my workspace. Yes, select, and it will load up a bit. Then it will work. This will work. Yeah. Now it's prompting us to open it in Power BI. You can click that link straight up to take you to the Power BI online, or you literally search for Power BI on your browser and log in with the details, with the Microsoft Word details that you just created, right? So simple and short. You need to be there in the screen. Yeah, the dashboard that you just published will be in your face right now. That's exactly it. So the next step I want to do is to actually publish it. Now, to have it as a clickable link whereby anybody online can access my dashboard. So if you can't use the share option, you have to go to File, Embed Report, and Publish to Web. So if you try to do it, if you follow my steps, the steps I showed you, and you try to do it, you will not be able to see this thing I'm seeing, right? Because you still have one more step left. What's that step? You have to enable the permission, right, to the final permission that will allow you to embed your report. And how do you do that? You have to essentially go to Power BI's admin portal. Now from here, you go to your settings, and you go to admin portal here, and from here, under tenant settings, you look for something called Publish to Web. Publish to Web under export and sharing settings. Now Publish to Web, you have to ensure that this second stuff is allowed. When you allow it, you click on apply. Then once you're done with that, then you can now go back to your dashboard, and then finally come here to File, Embed Report, Publish to Web, continue, publish. You can then copy this, here, paste it. That particular link that I pasted is the link that you can now share in your CV, wherever you want to share it. That will be accessible by anybody. Now you have to be aware, when you're utilizing this method, you have to be okay with the fact that whoever has access to this link, which can be now anybody in the globe, will also have access to your semantic model, that is the back end, that is your files and the connect, not necessarily your files actually, but the data in your files and the connection, the relationships that you created between the data sets, the files that were used for the dashboard. So yeah, you have to just be okay with that. So I don't advise sharing or publishing any confidential information. You should not do that. That's that. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Give a comment on what you feel we could do better, what you liked, and probably what you want to see.